Right, recently the air conditioning and sunglasses have been a necessity, but you'll need the rain gear as soon as tomorrow, and you can give that air conditioning a break for perhaps a couple of days with some refreshing air on the way. But one more look at what was our third heat wave of the year. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 90 or higher for the Hartford area, and now this is in our rear view mirror. So our first alert weather days will be focusing our day tomorrow on the risk for heavy rain, increasing the potential for some late day flooding. The stage is still set for a fantastic weekend. Looking live from Waterbury over the Brass City right now, we've got just some scattered clouds. We're dry border to border. There's our view from New London, 79 degrees with a calm wind. So along the shoreline, near 80 if not above. Elsewhere inland, we've got mid and upper 70s, so another warm and muggy night underway across Connecticut. Earlier today, with peak heating in advance of a slow-moving cold front, some isolated thunderstorms developed. Those have since diminished. And while this boundary is moving through southern New England right now, it's not going to move much over the next 24 hours. And as a wave of low pressure rides along that boundary, it's going to increase that likelihood for rain, becoming steadier and heavier by tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So for tonight, upper 60s and low 70s should do it for overnight lows. Tomorrow afternoon, not 80s and 90s, but high temperatures only in the 70s across Connecticut, as we're seeing the pendulum from well above average to a bit below normal. High for this time of year in the Hartford area, 85 degrees, and that is due in part to the increased likelihood for rain as the day progresses. Also tomorrow on the air quality index, orange dots all across Connecticut, unhealthy for sensitive groups given an uptick in fine particulates. So something we're going to be watching closely tomorrow. For our Thursday morning, by the time we get to the morning commute and points thereafter, our sky becoming mostly cloudy, so limited sunshine to start the day. A couple showers possible through the morning, but the main event comes tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Rain filling in across Connecticut, becoming steadier and heavier. That's the case into the early overnight hours of tomorrow night. Then by Friday morning, this is what's left of the rain winding down, tapering off. So from the Weather Prediction Center on the excessive rain outlook, while we here in Connecticut are in the level 2 risk, there's even a greater risk for flooding and flash flooding across New Jersey, southeastern parts of Pennsylvania, into Maryland, a level 3 risk there. So we do have our flood watch in effect starting tomorrow afternoon. Again, our rain will be tapering off, winding down by around daybreak on Friday, with conditions improving thereafter. Again, it's all with this wave of low pressure riding along this boundary. So Friday morning, lingering showers giving way to a drier afternoon, certainly trending brighter as well from the afternoon into the evening hours. So certainly we'll be able to see the sun set on Friday, and also by Friday, that's when temperatures will be feeling more like late September, with highs in the lower 70s. Also beyond tomorrow, dew point values dropping off sharply. So for the upcoming weekend, a very pleasant air mass, and basically it's going to be sticking around even into early next week. Friday afternoon, temperatures only topping out between 70 and 75 degrees, again with clearing getting underway through late afternoon. So in our first alert 7-day forecast this upcoming weekend, the first one of August, not feeling like August. Overnight lows in the mid-50s, near 80 on Saturday, between 80 and 85 on Sunday, with high pressure and control dry and bright for both weekend days. We trend a little bit warmer Monday into Tuesday of next week, while remaining dry. And say after tomorrow night and early Friday, our next chance for rain may not come until Wednesday of next week.